Today we will learn how to add the Hotjar tracking code to your Wix website step by step. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hotjar website. Once you are on the Hotjar homepage, locate the option to sign in, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Selecting this option will take you to a login interface that allows you to enter your account information. After clicking the sign in option, you will be given the opportunity to sign in with your Google account. This option simplifies the login process since it automatically populates your credentials if you have already connected your Google account to Hotjar. Choose the account you wish to use for accessing your Hotjar dashboard. By signing in with Google, you ensure that your login process remains secure and efficient. Upon successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top left corner of your Hotjar dashboard, where you will see a drop-down menu associated with your website. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal several options. Among these options, you will find the ability to copy the tracking code that will integrate Hotjar's functionalities with your Wix website. Look for the button labeled copy code and select it. This action will copy the necessary script to your clipboard, making it available for you to paste into the editor on your Wix site. With the Hotjar tracking code copied, shift your focus to your Wix website. Log into your Wix account and open your website editor. Once you have your website open on the editor, navigate to the settings section. You will find the settings icon in the bottom left panel of your Wix editor. Clicking on this icon brings you to a menu where several website adjustment options are available. Scroll all the way down until you see the section dedicated to custom code settings, which is located under the development and integrations category. This part of the settings is specifically designed for advanced users who wish to modify their website's behavior by inserting custom scripts or third-party codes. When you are ready, select the custom code option to open the code input interface. Inside this interface, paste the Hotjar tracking code that you previously copied from Hotjar. Verifying that you have pasted the code correctly is crucial. Once you are certain that the script has been inserted without any errors, save your changes. This action integrates the tracking code into your Wix site, enabling Hotjar's features to begin collecting valuable insights about your website's performance and user behavior. After saving the changes to your website, return to your Hotjar account. Within Hotjar, locate the option to verify the installation at the bottom of the page. Click on the Verify Installation button to initiate a check that will determine whether Hotjar is successfully communicating with your Wix website. With this verification complete, you can be confident that Hotjar is now properly installed on your site, ready to help optimize user interactions and improve your website experience.